What do you do, yo? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm going to give you an update about PGP Prosperity Gen Ventures. Okay, even though I'm no longer rolling with the BSC USDC contract, okay, I feel like you should get updated about the project. Okay, guys, so for now I'm just standing by waiting to see what happens once all the refunds are issued, and once that's done if there is a position for me to enter, I will enter. If not, it is what it is. Okay, but let's jump right into it. So they are still issuing refunds, and I have received my refund. Okay, so if you come over here to debunk, you can see that on the 8th of February at 2:22 a.m. I received my refund. As you can see right here, Prosperity Gen Ventures received, and that's it. And if you come over here to my MetaMask, you can see the money's right there. Okay, so they are still issuing the refunds. Okay, guys, so it's just a matter of time. Okay, so gladly he removed deadlines from the website. Okay, so we no longer have deadlines, which is good. Okay, because if you tell people that, hey, tomorrow you're going to give you a refund, people will be like, hey, tomorrow is gone and I will receive my refund. They will start tripping. Okay, so it's best to keep it this way. No deadlines, simply just wait for your refund, and that's it. Okay, so as you can see right here, if you have not requested your refund for BSC USDT contract by filling out the form, refund form in the menu options, we are currently working hard to get all refunds done. So please read over refund policy. Okay, so refund policy where is, if you come over here to request and hit refund policy, we have the refund policy right here. Okay, so this is the refund policy, and can take up to 21 days excluding weekends and holidays. Okay, guys, so a lot of people are failing to read the refund policy, and then they just go on Discord and flood the Discord with, hey, where's my money, where's my money, my money. Come on, just go and read the goddamn refund policy. Simple as that. Okay, and yesterday or today, this morning, 4:58, okay, Manny posted a big statement about the situation, what's happening right now. Okay, some people are going to the extreme that they start threatening. Okay, there is no need, guys. There is no need, because if you come over to the smart contract, we can see that they are issuing refunds. So last time they issued a refund was 1 hour and 47 minutes ago. Okay, so they are still working hard to get everybody refunded. So if I think they have 2,000 wallets to go. Oh, they issued 2,000 refunds in less than a week, okay, which is a lot. Okay, so bear in mind, guys, this is just one man doing all these things. Okay, so he has to verify the wallets, have to verify that you are a genuine investor, and then once all that is confirmed, he will then refund you the money. Okay, so that takes time. Okay, because we don't want to lose our money, and money don't want to do any mistakes. So he has to verify every single refund request manually. Okay, so it's not like the USDC contract where you go to the contract and issue the refund and that's it. Okay, so everything has to be done manually, so you just got to be patient, right? In the meantime, you can reinvest. Okay, reinvest. As you can see right here, these people that are reinvesting are those that are waiting for the refund. Okay, so if you have more than 50 USDT available on your rewards, you can reinvest. Okay, and let me show you how to reinvest. Okay, so you come over here to the contract. I've showed you this many times, but still some people missing out on this thing. Okay, so you come contract and then write contract, and then you have to connect your Web3 wallet, which is your MetaMask. Okay, connect your MetaMask, and then you come over here to reinvest. Okay, you write, you pay the MetaMask gas fee, and that's it. But remember, you can only reinvest if your available rewards are greater than 50 USDT. If you have 49, USDT available to claim, it won't work. Okay, so it only works from 50 USDT and above. Okay, so all those people reinvesting are those that have more than 50 USDT available to claim. Okay, so in the meantime, keep on compounding, because when money gives you a refund, you'll get all together. As you can see right there, okay, my investment was 750, and then I was compounding while I was waiting for my refund, and managed to get my rewards plus the initial deposit. Okay, so yeah, you can do that, guys, and I would recommend you to do that, because otherwise you're just gonna miss your money, right? And yeah, that's the update for the USDT. So just be patient. Let me see, this is a big statement, I didn't read it all. So as you can see, it takes 21 days, and once he's done with the USDT, he will move on to Polygon and TRX. Okay, so probably I would say it's gonna take it a month, well, till the end of this month, to complete all the refunds from USDT, Polygon, and Tron. Okay, so I'm gonna wait on the sidelines for a month, well, till the end of this month, to see what happens once the refunds are over. Because at the same time, the bot software is supposed to be released on the 10th, which was 2 days ago, and it wasn't released due to the amount of refunds. Okay, so it's it is a lot of work. So we just gotta give this man a credit and be patient. Okay, guys, no need to go to the extreme and threaten him. Okay, because you know, he proved himself lots of times, and he's proving himself again, like issuing the refunds. I received my refund. Many people from my TG member and other TG groups claim that they received the refunds plus the compounding rewards. Okay, so it's all good. It's just a matter of time for you to receive yours. In the meantime, don't miss out on reinvesting while you can. Okay, guys, so that's the update about PGV. Okay, Prosperity Gen Ventures. As soon as there is more information about the refunds, I will come up and update you. Oh, one more thing, the weekly the daily rewards has changed to 1%. So currently everybody's getting 1% a day on the USDC contract. Okay, so this percentage might change. Well, it will be updated weekly. Okay, so next update is going to be on the 14th. They removed the statement there, yeah, but next update is going to be on the 14th, and then that percentage will remain that value for the whole week. So 14th is going to be Tuesday. So from Tuesday to Tuesday, this percentage, this 1% might change, might not. Okay, you'll have to come over here to weekly gem bots rewards and check out the daily percentage. Okay, but currently everybody's getting 1% a day. Okay, till Tuesday. I think Money will update this, and if the bot was performing well, okay, it might go up. If the bot didn't perform well, it might go down. We'll see. Who knows? Okay, but yeah, for now it's 1%. Okay, it sucks because I pulled out my funds a day before they changed this. Okay, it sucks, but it is what it is, guys. No regrets. Okay, so like I said, I will wait on the sidelines until all the refunds are done. Once that's done, no more confusion, no more messes around. Okay, I will then check the platform, check the daily rewards, and if it's worth for me to jump in, I will go ahead and jump in. Okay, guys, so stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.